Well, good morning. It is Thursday morning. I'm gonna go pick up the crab pot that I threw out the other day. I didn't get it in camera, but yeah, we went for a little run in the creek and just threw the crab pot. So today I'm gonna go pick it up. Yeah, I'm excited. Today is Freddie. Freddie's coming along for a drive. There he is. Should be a good trip. Let's go. Ready to set sail now. Oh, Freddie here. Let's go. Believe it, guys. I left it for 2 days here and somebody stole it. Hey Freddie, tell them about it. What happened?
So 2 days ago he dropped the pots in, and we come back today. We checked the pot that was there, the exact spot where he dropped his. We pulled it up and everything, and comes like there was crabs in it and that. Couple of illegal there was jennies and there was a fish cod or something in it. Comes to find out it wasn't the pot, his pot, because the color of the pot was orange, and the one he's got is exactly the same like this one down here, blue pot.
That is my dinky too.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Anyway, bit of an unsuccessful a learning curve, I should say.
Well guys, I definitely learned my lesson. I didn't even mark it as well, but that's alright. Next time I come fishing, I'll throw it out, pick it up the same day. Anyways, let's go. Well guys, that's it for us. Nice little trip. But yeah, I've learned my lesson. Mark it and don't leave it out for too long. People will take it. Anyways, thanks for coming.